I am a magnet for abundance, prosperity, and success. Money flows to me easily, effortlessly, and continuously. Every day, I attract new opportunities and unexpected blessings. The universe supports me in every step I take. I am worthy of unlimited wealth, happiness, and love. Abundance surrounds me and fills every area of my life. I release all fear and welcome prosperity with an open heart. I am grateful for the abundance I already have and the abundance on its way. Everything I desire is flowing toward me at the perfect time. I attract financial freedom with ease and confidence. My life is filled with peace, joy, health, and prosperity. I trust the universe to provide everything I need. I choose thoughts that create abundance and success. Every breath I take brings more blessings into my life. Miracles happen for me every single day. I deserve to live a life of wealth, purpose, and happiness. My dreams are becoming my reality. I am open to receiving abundance from expected and unexpected sources. Infinite prosperity flows through me and to me now. I am thankful for the beautiful, abundant life I am creating.